Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this private passport app review. So to get started, private passport app by Northern Trust is positioned as a secured mobile tools for accessing financial data, verifying identity, and managing digital credentials, primarily for Northern Trust client. While the ideas of combining privacy-focused identity verification with a secure account access sounds promising, the user experience tells a different story. The app often suffer from a technical issues, failed logins, broken notifications, buggy update loops, and inconsistent performance on both Android and iOS. Users also report long wait time for basic actions like deposit, with some describing the interface as out-updated and unresponsive. Although the app supports secure protocols and its intuitions backed, it lacks the polish and reliability expected from a high-trust financial platform. And here's a very conclusion. Private passport may be useful for Northern Trust clients seeking a basic digital access, but it's far from smooth or dependable unless you are tied to the bank's ecosystem. It's best to look for more stable and user-friendly alternative for digital identity or financial access. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. And if you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.